are going to see degrees of comparison, how to make a transformation, and also rules and regulation to follow. Right? See, first of all, I would like to introduce adjectives, the most common adjectives for your examination. Okay, common for 11th and 12th standard, the most common adjectives are here. Please take a note and write on this. Okay, so our topic is degree of comparison. It contains 3 marks in your subjects. Okay, it contains 3 marks for your exam. Okay, it contains how many marks? 3 marks. Okay, 1 mark plus 2 mark, 3 marks for your exam. Okay, so let's see the adjectives here. Let's see the various types of adjectives for this degree of comparison to make a transformation. Okay, fine. So write fast degree, comparative degree, superlative degree, okay. So past degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. The most common adjectives are, see, these are the most common adjectives for your exams. Okay, so we are going to change in terms of these adjectives only. Okay, so we are going to change in terms of these kinds of adjectives only. Of course, the most important here, so write on your note itself. So first of all, we are going to see the irregular adjectives. First of all, we are going to see the irregular adjectives. There are 3 types of degree of comparison. The one is called as past degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Okay, in this main important adjectives are there as follows. Right, first of all, we would like to see irregular adjectives here. Good or well. Kindly take a note. Good or well, better, best. So good, well, better, best. Then bad or ill, bad, ill, worse, worst. So kindly take a note of it. So very important adjectives for our examination for both 11th and 12th standard. Okay. The next one, little. Next one is little, less or lesser. In comparative, we call as less. You can write lesser. Here, least. In super degree, we have to write least. So little, less or lesser and least. Next one, many. So irregular adjectives. Okay, many, more and most. Okay, many, more and most. And next one, old. In comparative, we have to call as older or elder. In super degree, we used to write oldest, eldest. Understand? I hope you all understand. You just take a note of it. So good, well, better and best, bad, ill, worse and worst, little, lesser, lesser or least, many, more, most, old, older, oldest or eldest. These are the most common irregular adjectives for your examination. Take 2 minutes to write. Write soon, take a note and copy down fast. Put a column like this. Okay, make a column like this, positive, comparative, superlative degree. Then write at the top important irregular adjectives. Irregular adjectives. Have you all copied down? Can you take a note of it? Good, well, better, best, bad, ill, worse, worst, little, less, lesser and least, many, more, most, old, older and oldest. Okay. Now we are going to see the regular verbs here. we are going to see the regular words here. Okay, regular adjectives here. So the most important thing, cold. Most regular adjectives are follows here. Colder, coldest. Okay, find est er here. See, cold, colder, coldest. Bright, what do you say? Bright, brighter, brightest, bright, brighter, brightest. Then next one, happy, happier, happiest. So first one, cold, colder, coldest, bright, brighter, brightest, happy, happier, happiest. See, these are some of the adjectives from the regular side. From the regular side, okay. Then big, for comparatively, bigger, for superlatively, biggest. Understand? Then fat, fat, fatter, fattest. Kindly take a note of it. Most common and most important for your exam here. Repeated verbs. You got us repeated words for your exam. So cold, bright, happy, big and fat. For this degree of comparison, so most important words here. Can you take a note of it? Fast. Take a note. Let's go for the next here. Next set of words. Famous. Modern. More modern. Most modern. See, we are used here more in comparatively and most in superlative degree. Okay, we have used like this only, more in comparative and most in superlative. Then famous, then comparatively, as you know, more famous, most famous. The next word, difficult, as you know, more difficult, most difficult. Can you take a note of it and copy down soon? We have go through lot of transformation with some more examples also there. Then beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Right, so we have to see next type of examples and rules and regulation and transformation, how to transfer from past to negative, past to comparative and comparative superlative and also. Okay. So modern, famous, difficult and beautiful, and also you can write polite also. You can add here polite, most polite, politer, more politer. Okay, more politer and most polite. You can add polite also here. So modern, famous, difficult, beautiful, these these words continuously is there in the exam. Okay. So continuously the questions are no கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஆனா I just pick those words only for you. அந்த adjectives மட்டும் தான் உங்களுக்கு I just given here. Okay. Let's see the rules here. Now we are going to see the rules. Rules to follow to change or to transform one sentence to another sentence in degree of comparison. Okay. So first type 1, write type 1. Type 1 as so as. In comparative instance, er plus than. Er plus than. For superlative there is no form here. For superlative degree there is no form in first type. So first type, look at the first type as, in that adjective as. So adjective so, like. Fine. It's very simple here. As, so, as, and then comparative er plus then, and super degree is east. There is no form at all. No problem. Okay, type 2. Go for the type 2 here. No other. So as. No other so as. In comparative degree, er plus then any other. Er plus then plus any other. Okay, er plus then any other. So no other. Then in this place we have to place adjective here. Then so as, adjective as, right? Then comparatively er plus then plus any other. Okay, er plus then plus any other. Then super to the est. The est. In first type you can also use est, but there's no proper transformation of superlative to comparative or something partially. Okay, so the est. Then third type, look at the type 3. Very few. As. In comparative degree, er plus then plus many other or most other. In super degree, one of the. Then est. Okay. We are going to see these three types today. Type 1, type 2, type 3 is very, very important, and also very easy grammar to score 3 marks for your exam. So type 1 as so as, in comparative here plus then superlative there is no form at all, but we can use est. And type 2 no other, so as er plus then plus any other, then the east. Type 3 very few as many are, sorry, er plus then plus many are most other, one of the east. Okay, these three types are very, very important for your exam. Just take a note of it. In base of this rules and regulation, we are going to transform the sentence here. Okay, we are going to transform from passive to comparative, either superlative, that's not a problem. These are main rule you have to follow. These are the main rule has to follow to transformation the sentence. Okay, understand? So can you take a note of it? We'll go for the next example. We'll go for the sets of example for type 1, type 2, type 3 also. Shall I raise? Fine. Let's see the next we are going to see the examples for type 1, type 2, type 3. Don't worry, we'll go very slow. Understanding is very important here. Okay. Let's see type 1 example. Type 1 examples. So first example, China is not as large as India. Right? We'll make it simple. We'll make it very simple here. First of all, okay, fine. We'll make it very simple. Air is not as light as water. Air is not as light as water is not as light as air. Okay. So by this form you can identify this as adjective as, right? We can identify this sentence belongs to positive degree. This sentence belongs to positive degree. Okay. Water is not as light as air. Then we have to change it to comparative degree now. We have to change comparative here. So first of all we have to interchange the last subject, right? Yeah. So here is we used to change this last type object. We are going to change the object here. We have to interpret the object right from the last to first and first to the last here. Okay. So here is, then while we interchange, the not will not come. It automatically is cancelled. Okay. While we interchange the object or subject, the not will cancel. Here is lighter than water. Okay. So for ER plus then. So yeah, air is lighter than water. So rule ER plus then, here as. Understand? So type 1 rule here. This comes under type 1 rule here. Have you understood? So water is not as light as air. We just change into comparative light. Air is lighter than water. We follow the rule as ER plus than rule. Just copy down. Just copy down soon. Not implies a negative sentence, whether they will have some positions also, but in that rule that I have not mentioned about not at all. I give an example like by using negative sentence also here. Okay, understand? Let's go for the second example here. Let's go for the second example here. Hurry is, just you can try also. Here second example, hurry is not so. So you can find this sentence belongs to passive degree because so as, right? So not indicates an negative sentence. Okay, whether it's a positive sentence, no problem. You can find it like while we interchange the subject or object, not automatically will cancel. Okay. நம்ம சேஞ்ச் பண்றப்போ நாட் வந்து அது கேன்சல் ஆயிடும். இது வந்து உங்க மைண்ட்ல வச்சுக்கோங்க. So as belongs to past degree, then change into comparative now. Change into comparative. You have to bring Ramu at the first. Ramu is tall, because taller than who? Taller than Hari. It's very simple. See here, taller than Hari. As per rule, ER plus than. As per our rule, ER plus than occurs. See, Hari is not so tall as Ramu. Then while we change into comparative sentence, the Ramu comes at the first and Hari goes last, and Ramu is taller than Hari according to our rule. So as and here ER plus then. As type 1 example. It belongs to type 1 example. Just take a note of it. Kindly take a note soon. Hari is not so tall as Ramu. Then when we change to comparative degree, Ramu is taller than Hari. As per our rule, we have changed everything properly. Okay. As per rule, we are going to see. If you understand the rule properly, then it's very easy to write. Very easy to change the sentence. Understand? Okay. That's for the third example here. Let's go for the third example. Third example for type 1. Third example for type 1. Third example. China is larger than India. China is larger than India. Could you please find what type of comparison it is? Could you find what type of comparative degree is it? See here, ER plus then. ER plus then. It belongs to comparative degree. Belongs to comparative degree. Next, we are going to change into partial degree. Okay, we are going to change partial degree here. Try to change by yourself itself. So we have to bring India here. India is not so large as China. Okay, so as per the rule, so as belongs to partial degree comes under type 1. Belongs to partial degree comes under type 1. The China is larger than India, belongs to comparative degree in terms of type 1. Take a note on this. Fast. We have to see another 2 more type in this video itself. China is larger than India. We belongs to comparative degree, and then we have to change into passive degree as like India is not so large as China. Not so large as China. Let's go for type 2 now. Okay. Let's go for the type 2. Fine. Okay, write type 2 examples. Type 2 examples. Type 2 examples. So write the first example here. Type 2. What do you see? Type 2. Look at the rule here. No other. So as, then ER plus then any other, then the east. Okay. First example. First example. First example. Kumar is first example. Okay. No other man was as strong as Hercules. We'll find it. We'll see only, first of all, we'll see the simple example here. Okay, we are going with a simple example here. Gold is the best metal. We'll see the simple example, then go for the tough one. Gold is the best metal. Could you find the sentence belongs to which degree? Degree of superlative, right? The is as per rule type 2. It belongs to type 2 superlative degree. It belongs to type 2 superlative degree. Okay. So gold is the best metal, right? So we have to find this one is superlative degree. Then we have to change into comparative degree here. We have to change to comparative degree. Tell me, gold. See the past sentence. No other, right? Yeah. No other metals. See here. Look at your rules. It's given no other metals as good as gold. We just used our rules only. No other metals as good as gold. Then we'll make it it's past degree. Then we'll make it comparative degree. Because we have used no other as. Okay, belongs to past degree. Then we are going to use comparative degree here. See, ER plus then any other, right? Gold is better than any other. Gold is better than any other metal. Gold is better than any other metal. Okay, any other metal. See, as per rule பாருங்க, super degree ல வந்து the es இருக்கா? Then go for the past degree. No other அப்புறம் as சரிங்களா? Then see comparatively er plus then plus any other. இருக்கா? So பொறுமையா பாருங்க. Gold is the best metal, right? See, next we are going to change this past degree here. No other metals as good as gold. Then we will see the comparative degree here. Gold is better than any other metal. Gold is better than any other metal. Fine. Look at the rules also here. No other as er plus then plus any other. See, just we are applying our rule only. Understand? Take a note. Fast. Kindly copy down soon. We need to see as much examples here. second example. For type 2 second example. So find degree of comparison here. Teaching is nobler than any other professions. Okay. See here, teaching is nobler than any other profession. See, could you find what type of degree it is? Comparative degree. It belongs to comparative degree, right? So now we are going to change into superlative degree, right? Okay, superlative degree. Try by yourself. Teaching is nobler than any other profession. So in comparative superlative degree, what's the rule? DEST, right? In comparative, ER plus then plus any other. As per rule, we have written everything correctly. Here, next superlative DEST. Try now. Teaching is noblest EST, right? Teaching is the noblest. See, according to our rule, we have to put D also here. Teaching is the noblest profession. Okay? Noblest profession of all. You can write teaching is noblest profession of all here. So teaching is nobler than any other profession to the comparative degree. In turns, we are going to change to super degree. As like teaching is the noblest profession. So this next past degree change past degree change as per rule no other. No other object profession. Object no other profession is as noble as per rule, as noble as teaching, as noble as teaching. As per rule no other as இந்த ஃபார்முலா நான் ரூல் கொடுத்திருப்பேன். அதே ஃபார்முலா நான் உங்களுக்கு எழுதிருக்கேன் பாருங்க. no other object tenses as இருக்கா? Teaching is the est இருக்கா? நல்ல adjective. பாருங்க. உங்களுக்கு என்ன ரூல் கொடுத்தனோ the same rule நான் உங்களுக்கு அப்ளை பண்ணி சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிருக்கேன். So you have to go through the rules properly. Keep your mind constant and determined. Okay, so let's go for the third type here. Let's go for the third type. Fine. Let's go for the third type. Third type of example. Fine. Type 3 examples. Let's see the type 3 examples here. Type 3 example. Very few writers are as great as Sujata. Okay, could you find the degree of comparison? Very few belongs to third type, past degree. Okay, that's going to change it to comparative degree here. So look at your rule. Look at your rule. Comparative degree करना है. Sujata. So comparative करना है. Sujata. 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 Paragraph करना है. Sujata is great every morning. See Sujata writers present है. So belongs to present tense. इससे बोलना अपना great every morning. Greater. Greater every morning. Greater then rule of பாருங்க many the most many other writer சரிங்களா many other writers full that we மாத்திரண்டு Sujata is greater than many other writers. Okay, let's see the superlative பாருங்க one of the most கொடுத்திருக்காங்க sorry one of the easiest கொடுத்திருக்காங்க இல்லையா அது Sujata is one of the greatest writer புரிஞ்சுங்களா understood. See very few writers are as great as Sujata, then we'll take it in the comparative degree as Sujata is greater than many other writers. Sujata is one of the greatest writers. Thank you. So we'll see, keep on touch with the next video. So go through all the examples and do it by your own. Okay, thank you.